Hi friends, my name is Narasimha and I'm studying data science group in IRE college. Today as a part of my subject linear algebra and calculus, I want to explain a topic named the sum of eigenvalues of a square matrix is equals to it the trace of a matrix. This is a proof of an eigenvalues. I want to prove it today. First of all, finding eigenvalues of a square matrix. How to find? Let us assume a square matrix of order 3 by 3. We all know that square matrix means the number of rows is equal to number of columns. So I am taking order of 3 by 3. Substitute the square matrix A in the formula. Capital A minus small a into I is equal to 0, where small a is a variable and capital I is an identity matrix. And we have to substitute, by substituting in this formula, we get an equation. I am taking an example of a 3 by 3 matrix as A is equals to first row contains 1, 2, 3, second row contains 4, 5, 6, and third row contains 7, 8, 9. First, find the product of variable A, identity matrix of order 3 by 3. In the formula, we have capital A minus small a into identity matrix. So, we have gotten a matrix of an example, but we have to find the product of small a into I. Small a into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1 as a matrix. We have taken identity matrix of order 3 because we have chosen an example of square matrix of order 3. So, the order of square matrix and the order of identity matrix should be same. After multiplication, we get a into I is equals to a0, 0, 0, a0, and 0, 0, a. Let us assume this whole matrix as matrix 1. Now substitute a into I in the above formula. A small capital A minus small a into I is equals to the matrix which we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6, 7, 8, 9 minus the matrix which we have obtained a0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, a, which is matrix 1. We get a matrix such as 1 minus a. We do have to do a subtraction because a minus small a into I. 1 minus a, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 4 minus 0, 5 minus a, 6 minus 0, and third row contains 7 minus 0, 8 minus 0, 9 minus a, which is shown here. Find the determinant of the matrix because while doing determinant only, we can obtain an equation. Otherwise, we get a matrix form. By doing determinant, we get an equation. By solving the equation, we can find the eigen values. Determinant symbol is this. Det of a minus small a into I is the obtained determinant. Determinant of first row contains 1 minus a 2, 3. Second row contains 4, 5 minus a 6. Third row contains 7, 8, 9 minus a. Make determinant value to 0 because we have to assume that the matrix which we have chosen or which we have obtained should be singular form, because means the determinant of the matrix should be 0. So by doing the determinant value to 0, we all know, we all are aware of how to find the determinant. 1 minus a into 5 minus a into 9 minus a minus 6 into 8 minus 2 into 4 into 9 minus a minus 6 into 7 plus 3 into 4 into 8 minus 5 minus a into 7 and equals to 0, which I mentioned before. Next, by doing multiplication or addition, 1 minus a is equals to 40 into 45 minus 5a minus 9a plus a square minus 48. Next, minus 2 into 36 minus 4a minus 42 plus 3 into 32 minus 35 plus 7a. And whole equation is equals to 0. 1 minus a is equals to, I want to solve the subtractions or the additions present in the brackets. 1 minus a into a square minus 14a minus 3 minus 2 into minus 4a minus 6 plus 3 into 7a minus 3 and equals to 0. Now multiply the brackets, the variables present in brackets and out of the brackets. 1 into a square minus 14a minus 3 minus a into a square minus 14a minus 3 will result in a square minus 14a minus 3 minus a cube plus 14a square plus 3a. Next, minus 1 minus plus 2 into 4, 8a, minus 1 minus plus 6 into 2, 12, plus 3 into 7a plus 21a, plus 1 minus minus 3 into 3, 9 is equals to 0. And we have only a cube term, only 1, minus a cube, minus 14a. Next, we have a square terms, a square plus 14a square, which results in 15a square. Next, minus 14a plus 3a plus 18a plus 21a results in plus 18a. In constant terms, minus 3 minus 10 becomes minus 12, and there is a plus 12 term. Minus 12 plus 12 get cancelled, so the unit of constant term is equals to 0. By taking minus common, we get a cube minus 15a square minus 18a is equals to 0. Now, the next step is we have to find the roots for the equation 1. Let us assume the obtained equation is 1. Take a common from the equation. That implies a into a square minus 15a minus 18 is equal to 0. First, we obtain a cubic equation, but by taking a is common, we will obtain a quadratic equation. That implies a is equal to 0 and a square minus 15a minus 18 is equal to 0. That implies one of the eigenvalues is 0. Next, by solving the quadratic equation, it seems the roots of the quadratic equation are complex. We have to use a formula for getting the roots of the quadratic equation, such as for a square ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we have to use a formula such as minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. I'm using the same formula. Minus of minus 15 plus or minus 15 whole square, which results in plus 15 whole square, minus 4a. A means 1 and c minus 18. C means constant term. A means the coefficient of the a square value. And this is root divided into 0.5, which power, the whole divided by 2 into 1. A means 1, which is coefficient of a square. A is equals to, we get two roots. Since it is a quadratic equation, we get two roots that are 15 plus 297 root 297 by 2 and 15 minus root 297 by 2. Means we got three eigenvalues for the 3 by 3 matrix. They are 0, 15 plus 297 root 297 by 2 and 15 minus root 297 by 2. These are known as eigenvalues of matrix, means which we are taken. Next, we have to find the sum of the eigenvalues, because our proof is sum of the eigenvalues is equal to trace of the matrix. So we have to find the sum of the values. We are 0, 15, 15 by 2 and 15 by 2. Because by adding plus 2 root 297 minus 2 root 297 get cancelled. So 0 is no need of adding. 15 by 2, 15 by 2. By taking 2 as LCM, we get 15 plus 15 by 2, 30 by 2, which results in 15. By giving this apart, we have to find the trace of a matrix. Trace of a matrix means sum of principal diagonal elements. We have took an example that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. Principal diagonal elements are 1, 5 and 9. So by doing the sum of this, 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equals to 15. So we are noticing that sum of the roots, sum of the eigenvalues and the trace of a matrix is same. So finally I conclude, sum of the eigenvalues of a taken matrix is equals to the trace of that matrix. Thank you, friends. I hope it is understanding. My lecture is useful. Thank you.